Come on, hurry up. We're just gonna come park there. 4, yeah. No. But before that one, yeah. Come, we're not going there. Come on, we're not going there. Come on. Mum got all this lungs driving around everybody else here, 20 years. Let's go, come on. Then just got down and come and get this spot. Hurry up. Hurry up, man. Don't worry, in a couple of weeks, not for this again, no more. I'll be doing it. I'll be trying to do it. I think it'll make life easy for me. It's weird, isn't it? Making life easy for me. But it will help. The neighbor was saying we can drive that truck, so yeah, more than can drive that 7, that's less than that's 7 off, so I can cover that. Now. Probably now. That's just with a gear stick, Debbie. With a gear stick.
No, I don't know.
That's not a yes, you can't just get one with the car again.
I know what car you should get. You should get one of those youth trucks, American like what are they called?
For the Ranger.
Yeah, one of them.
I tell you the eye locks are.
Yeah, one of them things.
Right, you know, I was thinking about some.
That's a perfect mix of everything.
Yes.
Transport, work,
Yes.
4x4,
Yes.
and it might be manual as well.
I was thinking, I want a 4x4, I want a car. I don't need to get no car.
You can get one of those. Wouldn't that be great? But one of those, one of them should be good though, because some of them have got back seats as well.
Yes.
So isn't that the perfect car for you?
Just easier.
As long as you don't mix.
Well, you know, mix food.
Like, if you put your tongue in my mouth, my tongue in your mouth, it's disgusting. You didn't hear any of that, did you?
Where's the clothes?
Such a club stick.
In our room. We're going to do what we do. Look in our room.
On my side of the bed.
See me then, miserable. As soon as I start learning to drive that car, I make my life easy. And nobody, I don't know.
You just sneak off with the spare key.
No, I'll just get the car in one spot and just stick off and go away. I'll just leave it in parking.
Hi. I've got my new one. I need to take this off this side and put it on that side. I don't know why they put it on the left hand. You've got mine. It needs to be on the right hand side.
What should it be? I mean, one will make it. Mitsubishi,
Ford make one.
Your Ford make one, Nissan make one.
If you've got a Ford car, you just jump into a Ford one.
Man, you better. Well, we've changed that.